Take command of the road in the 2014 Toyota Tacoma. This four-door, five-passenger truck provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined six-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Toyota prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including variably intermittent wipers, skid plates, remote keyless entry, and a split-folding rear seat. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.